The STI Exit Stopper Alarm STI-6400 is a highly effective door-mounted alarm that draws immediate attention to unauthorized use of emergency or rear doors with a very loud horn. Its bold stop sign style faceplate and bright color options make the unit easy to notice, which alone discourages people from casually opening restricted doors. The alarm duration and annunciator mode are user-selectable, allowing you to choose between brief beeps or a continuous alert depending on how the door is used in your facility. A key-controlled override lets authorized staff pass through without hassle while still keeping the alarm armed against improper exits or entries. The housing is made from tough polycarbonate and is designed to be mounted in several positions, so it stands up well to heavy traffic areas and fits a wide range of door setups. Because it is battery-powered and self-contained, installation is straightforward and does not require running electrical wiring, making it a practical upgrade for improving basic door security.